Hello everybody and welcome back to Tip Top Travel. Today you join me in my final video from my Visit to Rome series. Now in today's video I'm taking you through a really lovely walk which I went on when I visited the city. Now this walk took me all day because it went through key historical sites within the city, and it was really fantastic to photograph, to learn more about these sites and what they offered and what they were to past humans. So the first site that the walk visits is the Circus Maximus, which located about 10 minutes walk away from the Colosseum. It's a really fascinating area because it might look fairly unremarkable when you visit there, but back in Roman times this is the site of chariot racing, and it's about a 2-kilometre arena with embankments either side, and it's just really fascinating to think of what it was like back in Roman times. It resembles almost a modern day cycling or bike racing arena, just much bigger obviously because it's 2 kilometres. So that was really fascinating to visit. After visiting the Circus Maximus, I walked along the river and then visited a lovely market located between the Circus Maximus and the Pantheon, which is next on the list to visit. But the market was really lovely, selling lots of fresh fruit, vegetables, and at the time, because it was Christmas, lots of Christmas gifts. Now, after going to the Pantheon, seeing it from the outside, it's an amazing historical building. We then visited the Trevi Fountain, which at the point of visit was under construction. So you could walk essentially on a platform through the Trevi Fountain, but it had no water in, and the queue to get on to this platform was really long. So I decided to get a good vantage point and have a look at the Trevi Fountain from a higher point, but not take part in the queue to get on to the Trevi Fountain, because there was lots more that I wanted to do with the day, and of course it had no water in it. So the key facet of the fountain with its fantastic water features were not being fully utilised. So I decided not to spend too much time at the Trevi Fountain for what the fantastic fountain should require you to spend. But yes, so from there their main goal was to get to the monument to Victor Emmanuel II, which is a fantastic building situated on one of the key hills of Rome. Now, the reason why I wanted to go here is because the view from the top offered really fantastic panoramic views of the city, in which you'll see later on in the video. To get up to there as well, you had to pay the entrance fee to get into the memorial, but you walk up a steep set of stairs and then head to a glass lift which takes you up to the top, and it offers truly magical views of the city. Now, although there were quite a few tourists at this location, there wasn't many people going up to the top, and as you'll see from later on in the video, we had quite a clear kind of access and to the top, and I think not many people actually know about this view. So I would highly recommend going yourself if you want a really lovely panoramic view of the city. Just go into the monument to Victor Emmanuel II, and your breath will be absolutely taken away. So as you can see, the views from the top of this were absolutely lovely, and I'd highly recommend you visiting if you have the time when you visit Rome. It's just such a beautiful view of the city, and going at this time of day, almost golden hour, was just absolutely lovely. And on that note, that brings to the end my visits to Rome series. I really hoped you enjoyed my videos, and I hope that they helped you think about a trip to Rome and what you might like to do on your visit to the city. So thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you very much for being here to the very end. Not many people watch my videos to the end, so thank you very much. If you're listening to this voice clip, it means you've listened to the end, so thank you. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I've been really pleased to see how this channel has slowly grown over the last few years since I've been running it, and I'll just continue to make videos as and when I can. I just really enjoy it. It's both a really interesting thing for me to do, because it helps me see places in a different light that I'm getting footage, so it's really lovely. And please do leave any comments of feedback you'd like to see in future videos in the comment section, how I can improve the accessibility of them, for example. So I'm always interested in hearing feedback. But until my next video, thank you very much for joining me in my Visit to Rome series. Whatever you're doing for the rest of your day, I hope it's good, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much.